To troubleshoot Afterpay payment issues, start by checking your account balance and payment schedule to ensure you have sufficient funds and are not overdue on any payments. If you have missed a payment, make a payment as soon as possible to avoid any additional fees. Next, review your payment method to confirm it is up to date and valid. Check that your credit or debit card details are correct, including the expiration date and CVV number. If you have recently changed your payment method, try updating it in your Afterpay account. If you are still experiencing issues, try resetting your password or logging out and back into your account. This can often resolve any technical issues that may be preventing your payment from processing. You can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies to ensure you have the latest version of the Afterpay website. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Afterpay customer support for assistance. They can help you identify the cause of the problem and provide guidance on how to resolve it. Be prepared to provide your account information and a detailed description of the issue you are experiencing. To avoid payment issues in the future, make sure to keep your account information up to date. Monitor your account balance and payment schedule regularly, and notify Afterpay of any changes to your payment method. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily troubleshoot Afterpay payment issues and get back to shopping with confidence.